In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to share your system audio in Google Meet using your PC. This feature is super useful when you are presenting a video, song, or anything that has sound. First, open meet.google.com and either start or join a meeting. Once you are in, look at the bottom of a screen and click on the share icon, which looks like a screen with an arrow in it. When the sharing option pops up, you'll see three choices: your entire screen, a window, or a tab. To share audio, you'll need to choose either your entire screen or a tab. If you select your entire screen, make sure to check the box at the bottom that says Share System Audio. If you choose a tab, your browser will automatically share the audio from that specific tab. Once you have selected your option, click Share and everyone in the meeting will be able to hear whatever is playing on a PC, whether it's music, video, or any sound effect. When you are done, simply click Stop Sharing at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.